Let's check out this Klein flexible drill bit kit. It comes with a 9/16 drill bit that's 54 inches long. It also comes with a positioning tool and a gripper for pulling wire. Let's get a good look at the drill bit. It has a hole just below the tip that you can use as an attachment point to pull wires or a string line back through the hole that was drilled. The tip has a screw-like design that causes the bit to pull itself through the material that you're drilling through. This is a really nice feature that I think probably leads to more accurate holes. The back of the drill bit has squared off faces to make solid contact with your drill chuck. There is also another hole that can be used as an attachment point for pulling wires or string down the hole you just drilled. If you don't buy the full kit and just buy the drill bit, it will come in a hard plastic case around the drill head. I like this because it can be used to protect the drill head when it's in storage. The packaging for the kit is a throwaway blister pack, not a deal breaker though. Klein calls this the positioning tool. You unfold this arm to put it into the working position and hook the far end around the drill bit shaft. The end closest to you presses on the opposite end of the drill bit shaft. This gives you leverage and is a comfortable grip for when you need to bend the drill shaft. We will check this out more in a minute. The kit also comes with this wire gripper tool that I guess you put the wire inside, and pulling on it causes the mesh to tighten on the wire, sort of like a finger trap. Let's take a look at the flex of the drill bit. It's a little unwieldy being so long. It's definitely important to be aware of your surroundings because it would be pretty easy to accidentally swing this thing into some drywall by accident. It's nice that they cut faces into the end that goes into the drill chuck so you don't have to worry about it slipping. The positioning tool seems cool. It's really comfortable and definitely helps you get the bend that you need when doing some offset drilling like through a hole in a wall. You basically want to put enough bend in the drill shaft so that the drill head is at a right angle to the material that you are drilling through. If you don't bend enough, you could angle out away from you. If you end up bending too much, you could also angle toward you by accident. The positioning tool gives you so much leverage, it kinda seems like it might be easy to overbend if you aren't careful. So I'm drilling between floors through a 1 gang box size hole. I position the drill bit in the wall first to try and get it situated right where I want it. Now I will chuck it into my drill. I decided not to use the positioning tool because I'm in a really cramped space at the edge of a small closet and I was worried about overbending by accident. So I opted to bend the drill bit with my free hand. The threaded tip on the drill bit is really nice. That definitely helped me to lock the drill bit in place and pull it through the material. Let's get a look at the hole using my inspection camera. Nice, there it is. Now I can run a fish rod down there and snag it from the floor below. That's about it. Well, I hope you found this useful, and I'll catch you in the next one.